Hey y'all, this is Alex, owner of Aliasa, and here's a quick video on how I make my own beginner's body butter. Here are the ingredients that I'm using today. A 5-quart bowl, grapeseed oil, aloe vera, shea butter, vegetable glycerin, jojoba oil, vitamin E, tea tree oil, and lavender and chamomile fragrance oil. It is currently the wintertime, so I'm keeping it simple and basic with this recipe. I'm using 70% shea butter and 30% oils for the recipe. And I'm making about 4 ounces of the body butter. I placed about 80 grams of shea butter into the bowl and did the double boiler method, which I placed the bowl over boiling hot water in order for the butter to melt. After it is melted, I placed in the rest of the oils and ingredients. Once this is stirred together, I place the bowl into the freezer for 10 minutes, and this just allows the mixture to barely solidify. I then take the hand mixer to whip the mixture together. Once it is to the desired consistency, I use a spatula to lift the mixture into a Ziploc bag, which is placed over a wide mouth cup or jar. I snipped the end of the bag and squeezed out the butter into a jar. Guys, I indeed made a mess with this, and oh my god, there was butter everywhere. So I ended up making more butter because of my mess, and as you can see, I used a different Ziploc bag for this one. But anyway, I finally got it right and got the rest of the mixture inside the jar. By the way, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Aliasa. Leave a comment and let me know what you think of this video, or leave a suggestion for more videos. And follow on Instagram for more skincare tips at myaliasa. As you can see, the butter is very greasy and slippery, however, it does absorb into the skin, leaving a feeling that's silky and smooth. Once I was finished, I skimmed the top off and placed the lid on the jar. And there you have it, my own basic body butter. I hope this recipe helps you, and if it does, again, like the video and subscribe. Thanks guys, and until next time.